Like a man who accuses his Lord without wrong, lady, when he has him in his power, and begs mercy, and he does not wish to have it, but holds him until he gives him what is his.
I am accused because it pleases you and seems good to you,
And you have put me, lady, in your prison,
but you will never have ransom from me.
for I would rather you hold me captive,
Lady, than that you set me free.
and I do not think that one ever saw a captive
Who did not wish to be set free.
But I wish to know, lady, best of the good,
And the most beautiful one ever seen.
if you kill me, I cannot wish you ill,
For I do not believe it,
nor do you seem so felon to me.
and guard yourself from failing.
For a lord fails toward his baron,
Just as the barren fails toward him.
if he pursues an unjust claim.
And so that you do not fail,
Since you have captured me,
do not kill me.
let my good faith help me with you.
And humility and mercy. For if I were king, you would have a golden crown.
So much does your beauty make me delight and tremble,
Where I have placed my hope,
so that my heart does not give itself to another.
and remember, lady, the reward.
For I have served long in vain,
But by the faith I owe to my fair companion,
I have agreed on one thing.
whatever you do about it, I will love you, whether it pleases you or weighs on you.
But I would much rather it pleased you.